Welcome to my tiny office. I am Renee if you're new here, and I share everything in home decor and DIY each week. Now today I will be sharing with you my office. Most of you have asked me to share with you the items that are in this space and where I get them from. If you want to see how this space was created, please click the link down in the description. So let's get right into the video and show you the items here. Okay, so this is what my office area is looking like currently. I have a shelf above my desk here and also another corner shelf here where I store other items. So starting off this tour, I will show you this chair. This is from 876 Imports here in Jamaica. You can check their Instagram page down below. I got it on a special with a yellow chair. I'll put the picture on screen for 7,500 Jamaican dollars. This desk here, my uncle made it for me. I gave him the design and he made it. It is a nice desk. I really love it. The only downside is the measurement I gave him. It is a little bit low, but he gave me some risers, but I haven't raised it as yet. I will do sometime very soon. This bin here, it was a pink bin and I spray painted it in gold. So I like it. I like the gold finish on it. Let me show you. I spray painted it in gold. So that is my bin. On my desk here I have this cup. It was a blue cup and I spray painted it in gold as well. I use a HP laptop here. I don't really edit on the laptop, but I use it to do my research. And also this letterboard, it has my favorite quote on it. God is not preparing the blessing for you, He's preparing you for the blessing. I love this quote. Letterboard I got from All That Matters in Havendale. I will link it where you can get it from Amazon in the description. This tray here, I got it from Fashionenira Beauty in Central Plaza. And I have some books here that I use sometime, like this book here, Expression for Comfort by Ellen Rice. She has some quotes in it and stuff that you can read. Like this one says, through the depth of sorrow comes everlasting love and peace and truth and comfort are sent from God above. This also is a things to do book that I have. I wrapped it in wallpaper because it was an ugly green color. And also below it, let me show you. Also below it I have this book that I read sometime. It's a personal finance book for seniors and it just shows you should do regarding saving, budgeting and so on. In the drawer here I have some organizing trays that I purchased. I have a selfie stick here, I have my stapler, I have my Radio Shack converter. This is for like my memory card, and so I have this Radio Shack mouse pad, and I have other little things. I have my business stamp here. So let me know down below. I have some pens, not much stuff in this drawer, but I have a lot of Radio Shack products. Let me know if you'd want me to do a video with Radio Shack products that I have currently. So above my desk I have this hula hoop shelf that I DIY'd as well. You can click link in the description if you want to see that. I have a live sign here that I spray painted in gold as well that I purchased from Songsters Bookstore. I also got the leaves from Songsters Bookstore. This here is a ball that it's one of those kids ball that light up. I spray painted it in black, so when you shake it, it light up, and I spray painted it in black. Over here, this shelf I purchased from Lucky Dollar French and Appliance Store. I set it up and everything. I have these items on it. Sometimes I have a plant here, my snake plant. I remove that and put it in the sun a little just because no lighting is coming inside. It is one of those indoor plants that don't need much light to survive, but sometimes like every 2 months or so I put it outside a few. So I have this cup here that I DIY. It's a cup and bowl decor that I DIY as well. You can check the link in the description if you want to see how this one was made. Also I have a leaf decor here that I made, a mango leaf decor. And this frame, it is a stone frame. You can check that DIY as well. I DIY'd it. This here is a tablet box that I spray painted, and I add a corkscrew on it to like a little handle, and I store items in it. On the shelf here, this is a geometric shape kids thingy. I spray painted it. This is a mango leaf decor as well. So this here is one of those you get from like the paint shop. I got it at True Value, and I just use it here as a little decor. I have the yellow one here. This is my LED candle that I use sometime when I turn off the light and I don't want the bright light. This is one of my favorite books that was gifted to me. It says You Are a Badass. It says You Are a Badass, How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life by Jen Sincero. I like this book so much. Also, these two books I spray painted as well in gray and black. So you can see a lot of spray painting going on here. I had this quote printed, Believe You Can and You Will. So these are some of my favorite quotes that I go by daily. On the lower part of this shelf, I have this old watch. I have this piece that I purchased. I don't know what it was for, I just use it there as a decor. This container, a Rubik's Cube, came in it for my daughter, and she just gave me the container. I spray painted the cover in gold as well, and I just stuffed some leaves in it. These leaves were from my autumn decor, fall decor. And also this old candle and another of the book. Inside there are just some books, other books that I read, and also just some other items that I store in here, like some little junk. This is a lighting that I should install, and just some other things, letters from a letterboard I store in here as well. So basically this is what's going on in here. Beside it is another snake plant. This is one of my favorite plants, as I tell you guys. It survived indoor. Actually, this is not in any water, just to show you. See it? In there, so dry. It's not in any water, and I have this here like a month and so now without any water. It just does not require a lot to survive indoor. So this is what the office space turned out to look like. It's a little tiny space in the corner of my living room. So thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little quick tour, and I just want to say thank you for the support you have given me, and see you on the next video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video.